Wagwan, viewers and subscribers. You don't know it's your guy Chef Ricardo in the building from One Love Africa. And I'm here today. It's a Good Friday, 29 March. Good Friday! If you know it's a blessed Friday, Easter weekend. So we're not in Jamaica right now, but in Jamaica this time, our Easter weekend is lit. Lit. I don't have to ask. I ask Christ, I tell us that Jamaica hot. But me are Jamaica right now, you see it. So we are Kenya. So yard man up in a foreign, because yard man in Africa, you know. We're there still a lot of vibes. You don't know Good Friday vibes, we and the friend them and the team and the supporters as a customer. So show you guys around, make you know what's going on right here at Jamrock on Good Friday. I should have been capturing some clips from earlier when the place was packed, but I was so busy in the kitchen. As you can see, I'm in my uniform, cooking and all these things. So let me just get some clips so the people can see what go on. For the few people that's here, and I have a lot more to come. Yes, mad vibes, man. Peace out. Big up. Aliens. You know, I'm put people on camera, but you know, Good Friday. You're one family, so let's show the people what's going on now. Tune in. You see, be a yard man, Jamaican to be, and already Jamaican. Yeah, man. The island vibes. Sorry, ladies, I'm gonna put you on cameras so you can say hello and talk about the experience of the food. Who wanna go first?
Personally, I'm shy.
You're shy? Pretty girl like you can't be shy. Come on now. What about you? What do you had?
I had bajia and jerry chicken.
Bajia, jerry chicken. You should have some rice and peas or some festival, man. You do bajia. It's okay still. How we cook it here? Bajia and jerry chicken. And how was it?
It was lovely.
It was lovely.
Yeah.
Just like how she is. It was lovely. What do you have?
I first had some good soup.
What soup?
Soup.
No, yeah, some red pea soup.
Red peas.
Yeah, no meat is in it.
No.
Just ital soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Then I also had rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
And brown
stew fish.
brown stew fish.
Yeah, man. How was the fish?
Lovely.
Best fish ever in your life.
Lovely.
Yeah, man. The fish was done by Chef Ricardo himself at Jamrock.
Yeah.
Right here by me.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Yeah.
So shy girl over there, so she's shy, so she don't want to say anything for the camera more than big up herself, say big up or whatever.
Hi, big up.
Big up. Alright, big up yourself, boss. You see Bob Marley's shirt. But since some man name on Jamaican, you know, have to be. Big up. Alright, man, I want love. I just see there, so all the vibes. The general living in a place. You see a VIP man, you know. You see it. Yes, Yo, so this is my virgin Jeff, our bartender at Jamrock. So he's the one that controls the bar. He's the headmaster for the bar. Anything goes in the bar, anyone come in the bar, work under him. So Jeff, how do you feel or how it is like working here at Jamrock?
It's amazing, so much fun.
So much fun. And I heard that you've been making a lot of good drinks like cocktails, mocktails, all kind of mixed drink. Is it true?
True that.
True? Yeah. And tell me about the special drink. Like, what is your special drink you like to make?
Negroni.
Negroni.
Yeah, man.
All right, people, hear that? Negroni. So tell me something about you, Jeff.
That's cool, humble.
Are you what part in the bar? Are you the bar? Are you the mixologist? What?
Mixologist, bartender. Also, I do flair.
All right, yeah. I like that. Listen, I says if you want an international bartender right now in Kenya, you come right here, come link up the virgin Jeff, not Jeffrey Simpson, aka Jeff, worldwide, national, Instagram sensation. So tell them how to find your Instagram.
At Sensation by Iha.
At
Sensations by Iha.
All right, then how you spell that?
Sensations _by_Iha.
Okay, now we understand. Yeah, we got it, so we're gonna check out Jeff on Instagram. If he's on TikTok, we got it. So Jeff, big up yourself.
Big up, man.
Big up. Yeah, man, people, viewers and subscribers, as you can see, as you can hear, It's your guy, Chef Ricardo. Hey, Molly. Yeah, man, I wheel this over yourself. I go on the vibes. So make sure it's going to keep tuning in. Make sure it's going to keep up the vibes. Make sure it's going to go on with the bag of things. So I want to check out the Empress. Her name is Molly. Pop that pill, not Dolly. So Molly, I want to ask you a question. So let me ask Molly a question because she's the Empress right here at Brookside, right at GW Car Park. So Molly, how are you doing?
Good.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
I'm good. Okay, Molly's a nice African queen. As you can see, she's very tall and she's nice. She's a lady. Yes, so big up Molly. She's also a good friend of me and a good person. So Molly, question to ask you. What do you think about Jamaicans?
Oh God, I just love Jamaicans.
You gotta talk loud if they want to hear in the camera. You just love?
I love Jamaicans.
Okay, then.
The food, the dumplings, the fish.
Yeah.
Oh God, it's everything.
Everything, and that's Molly talking. So if you should go to Jamaica or anywhere else in Africa, like if you should go to Jamaica or South Africa, where would you go?
Jamaica, yeah.
Jamaica.
I want to try the octopus fish.
You want to try the octopus?
Yes.
All right, then octopus, curry octopus, coconut octopus. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Would you date a Jamaican guy?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Why not? What do you think about Jamaican guys?
They're cute.
Mm-hmm.
Like my friend here.
What? What? Hear that, people? Like our friend here. Let me see. Gotta be me. Yeah, so we're gonna check some more and get back to you guys. Let's see anyone else want to say the same thing. Molly, big up yourself.
Big up to
One Love Africa.
Big up to One Love Africa.
Yeah.
Big up to...
All right then. Peace out. Hey, make sure you play smart now.
Yeah, we will.
Oh, show in?
Win again.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
I think that
Yo, what up on the menu?
So we have Old Nick rum, Caribbean rum on the menu today. Happy hour,
Yeah?
all night long.
All night long?
Yeah,
So what you mix with the, you see a white rum, dark rum, and spice, Caribbean spice rum. So tell me,
So we got-
what's the difference?
We got your big difference is the age mostly.
The age?
Yeah, man. So also there's a bit of flavoring in the spice rum. So you,
Spice rum?
yeah, so you got a bit of caramel, some cinnamon in there as well.
Yeah.
This dark one is definitely aged a bit more than all this.
This one, dark one?
Yeah, it's a bit more aged.
Okay.
Minimum aged around 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah, so this and this are minimum aged 3 years. The spice and the clear.
Damn, yeah.
For the 5, you get your minimum age 5 years.
Yeah?
So we're gonna make mojitos with the clear.
So this one is good for mojito?
Yeah, this is good for mojito.
Yeah?
This is good for your Jamaican rum punch.
This one is good for Jamaican rum punch?
Yeah, man.
You sure you got the kick?
Yeah, sure.
How much percent of alcohol is in this?
It's just 37.5. But
Ah, that's not really one.
I mean,
Yo, tell me a kick, you know, man. Jamaica rum, yo, people, talk to the man in the comment section, yeah, man. Jamaica rum of a kick, 100%.
yeah, then we have some liquid kaya finally. At the
Liquid
end.
what?
Liquid kaya, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So spice liquid kaya, Jamaican rum
Dark
punch,
rum.
mojitos.
Mojitos.
Happy hour.
Alright, what if you mix the three of them together and they try to create a blend? What can you give us?
I can make you a zombie.
A zombie,
Yeah.
three of them together.
Yeah. So it's
Remember, you
definitely-
must walk like a zombie, of course.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Alright, so what's your name?
Hez.
What?
Hez.
Hez.
Yeah.
How do you spell it?
H-E-Z.
H-E-Z.
Yeah.
Where can they find you on the YouTube, Instagram, wherever?
Instagram at King of the Garnish.
Instagram at?
At King of the Garnish.
Yeah, if I spell that word there, you know.
King of Garnish.
Oh, King of Garnish.
Yeah, man.
Okay, straight up. So check out the boss, King of Garnish, so you can show you what you can do.
Yeah.
We understand. And for everyone else, see the beautiful lady right here. She's there. Peace. Alright then, bless up. Yeah man, so I scroll through, you know. Yo, so this man in job 6 probably last week. This man in job 6, marking face. You ever see him? An instant disaster.
Coming back for revenge.
You hear that? Coming back for extra revenge. Oh, Rascal, made it outside.
Yeah.
I never you job 6, man. We get 6.
Yes.
I'll come up top. I see ladies there. Lovely ladies. Yeah, man. How do you guys feel coming here at Reggae Flavors at Jamrock?
Excellent food, excellent vibe.
Excellent food, excellent vibes.
Yes.
All right, and the domino game is good.
Domino King here.
Right there. All right, yeah, that Domino King. What do you have to say, Miss?
I think it's great.
Yeah?
Food is amazing.
Yeah?
Vibe is great. It feels like home. It
Feels like home.
Yes, it feels like a family oriented.
I like that. I like that. I like that. Do you have something to say?
I love the vibe.
You like the vibes?
Yes.
All right then. That's just the vibes.
It's relaxing.
Okay. I like that. I like that. Yo, talk about the soup. What Chef Ricardo make?
Hey, the soup is gone. So
The soup. Alright, I'll get the next cup of soup. Alright, so people and me make the soup so they can have it and enjoy it. I'm on top of me cook some of the food. Most of the food. Yeah. So we are giving them a vibes. So make sure say you follow One Love Africa. Because that's my YouTube channel.
Yes.
One Love Africa, #1.
Yes.
It's me I say, they come in, they might give vibes. Me and the boss was part of it last week, you know, and they make them give us 6. Now the whole Africa boss. We're going to defend that. We're going to defend that. Yeah, man. So, these are the places, you know what I mean? Our places. Our ends. So, I'm going to go on the next section right now. Go. Link up.